Hi, I'm Spencer. Thanks again for agreeing to participate in this card sort activity. Our goal is to learn how you think about information so that we can organize the website in a way that makes it easiest for you to find what you're looking for. The tool that you'll be using today is pretty simple, but it'll be even easier after this brief demonstration. Of course, we won't be looking at the same list of items that you'll be using in your activity, but this will serve the purposes for our demo. So here's how it works. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see the list of items that you need to group into categories that make the most sense to you. When you're ready to begin, drag and drop any one of these categories from the left-hand side into the main screen area. When you see something else that likely fits in the same group, go ahead and drag and drop that into the same category. When you see something that probably fits into a different group, go ahead and drag and drop that to create a new category. Continue to do this until you've used all the items on the left-hand side. If there's anything on the left that you're not sure what to do with, that's okay. Try your best to sort everything into a category that makes sense to you, but if you can't, it'll be okay to create a category called I don't know. What I did here is I named the category, which I'll need to do for every item. I can do this at any time when I'm ready. I'll start naming some of the other groups as well. Continue to sort all of the items until you have everything on the left-hand side accounted for. If any of the groups seems like it's getting too long, then you may want to split that into two separate groups. For example, I'll split this out right now. All you have to do is drag the item from the group it's currently in into a new category or into the category that you want to put it. When you're ready, don't forget that each category does need its own name. If you place something somewhere and you learn that it's probably not where you wanted to put it, then go ahead and move that at any time. If you need to create more room for sorting, you can go ahead and drag and drop these groups around to organize them in whatever way gives you the space that you need. If you're really running out of space, you can also go ahead and collapse any of these groups and then go ahead and expand them at any time. Once you've accounted for everything on the left-hand side and there's nothing left, and once you've given every category its own name, then you can go ahead and click the I'm Done button in the lower right-hand corner. Thank you again very much for agreeing to participate in this study. It's really a huge help to us to understand a little bit more about how you organize information and what you call things so that we can create a website design that makes it easiest for you to find what you're looking for. Thanks again.